What's going on, guys? We're back again camping. We just found another camping spot. This one is not free, we have to pay on this spot, but it's very nice, really nice camping spot. I really like it. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of the place that we're gonna be staying overnight. So right here is this man camping tent.
This is my house.
Yeah, I have to set up mine, and then we have this whole space for us right here, and then we have a lake. Well, not a lake, it's a river. So we have a river all the way down here that we can definitely go swim, but we're gonna be doing some fishing there, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So that's for today, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna spend the whole day here. We're gonna leave tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna set up my tent right now. Mine is very simple.
Look at that. He has been using this. He is cooking. Look at that. So simple. How much was it?
$34.
$34. Very cheap. で、中にその釘をぶち込むと。ぶち込んでます。石が似合うな。石が似合いますね、ミゲルさん。石が似合う。自然が似合う。やっぱり猿だな。猿にしか見えない。
I don't want to throw away that cup. We can use it to drink water. There's a wind. A little bit.
Open my tent.
Yeah.
Someone sleeping inside. That'll be so funny.
I was like, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Oh, hi.
Oh no, I feel
Almost done. Saruがテントを張ってますよ。猿が、知恵を持った猿がテントを張ってます。なんかメガネをかけて。
This is my tent. This is it. This is the end. It's a backpacking tent. Yeah, very easy. So I'm over here next to the fire. We're gonna have some barbecue soon, so we get some fish. If not, we have some food that we brought. But yeah, my tent is set. His is set. We're good to go.
Good to go.
Guy over here,
Try to find a good spot.
he's making a video for his channel.
Yeah, man.
He has a Japanese channel, and we're trying to find fishing spot where we can go. Right there is the river.
There's a bridge over there.
Yeah,
Look at that.
I don't know how far we have to go to find quiet water. It's the river. It's a small river right here. Water is running like crazy. So I don't know. We're still looking for like nice fishing spot. It's closed. It's closed. So it is dinner time, and I have everything ready to cook right now. So let me show you what I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be the chef for the night, so I do know how to cook. Right here I have the fire already going. I light it up myself, and I have some ground beef that I'm going to be making for tonight, and potatoes. I'm gonna be cooking potatoes too. So fire is all ready to go. I'm gonna add some oil, just a tiny bit, and then the beef. I know it's kind of dark, but right now I have beef cooked. Now I'm cooking sweet potato fry. Just the way I like it, on the oven. Yeah. So I just got done cooking, and if you can see, I made beef and French fried sweet potato.
What?
Oh, how do you feel?
So good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Good.
Mm.
I made dinner tonight, so
Oh,
I'm the
good.
chef.
Mm.
I am the chef. What do you think?
So good.
Good?
You did a good job.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. That's good.
I like it.
Where are we going?
We are going to Mystery Park.
Mystery? There's nobody in there. So we're walking right now. This guy wants to go find some ghosts in the middle of nowhere, as always. So we'll see what we can find. What? Look what we found. Look, shoes. See? I don't know, man. Look the other face right here. We're coming across a lot of things right now. Yeah, a lot of signs. This one here is scary. This one though. And another one over here too. Look. Keep finding more over here. I think someone is coming. Yeah, I don't know where are these coming from. Look at this too. Whoa, look at this. Oh, not sure what it means. What's up, guys? This is the morning after. Last night we had a blast. We went to the river last night, but we didn't film anything because we didn't want our phone to get wet in the water. So right now it's time for breakfast. I woke up at 10. Even if you can see that, yeah, it's 10 a.m. right now. We're supposed to be in the camp until 1 p.m. and then we have to check out. But yeah, let's have some breakfast and see what else we have planned. So I'm gonna go and find some wood right now. I gotta go and I'm gonna make some pancake, bacon, and eggs. So that's my favorite. Time for the bacon. Bring that bacon in. Pancake. Now we have to cook the eggs. Almost lunchtime. Breakfast served. How do you feel?
I'm starving.
Yeah, ready to eat?
Yeah, but